Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new and haven't subscribed our channel, press the subscribe button. In this SolidWorks sheet metal part 2 video, we will learn how to convert solid body into sheet metal, and we will see the different parameters of converting solid body to sheet metal feature. So let's start. First of all, we will make some solid body. So I will go to sketch, select front plane and make the simple body. I am making the rectangle. Go to extrude, give it some thickness or depth, select the draft from here and make the draft at some angle, select OK. Now go to sheet metal tab and select convert to sheet metal button. So this is the convert to sheet metal property manager. We will see the functions. So first function is use material sheet metal parameter. So as you can see that we haven't applied any material to the solid body, so we will not check this option. If you will apply the material to this body, check the option and this. So this sheet metal parameter will select these all options according to your material configuration. So our next option is use gauge table. So we will see all the gauge table in our next video in details. Like we will see bend allowance in inches, bend allowance in sample, and we will compare the results with the standard tables. So now we have the next sheet metal parameter. So this is tab is showing to select the fixed entity. So we will select the base. I have selected this face. This will be the base of our sheet metal body, and you can change the thickness and bending radius from here. Now this is the tab showing bend edges. It will collect all bends. It will show no pre-made bends were found because this is a solid body and we haven't made any bend or fillet to this body. So we will select the edges we want to make bend. So we have 4 edges to make the bend for our sheet metal like this. So now you can see it is showing the 4 edges we have make the bend. So if we will uncheck this button, it will hide all the callouts like this. And ripped sketches mean that the gap between the two corners, there is the feature known as ripped, which means that it creates the gaps between two edges. So we haven't make any sketches to make the gap, so it will automatically adjust it according to our geometry. Now we have 3 different corners. We will see it after converting our solid body to sheet metal. And this is the again K factor bend table. I have explained it in detail in the previous video. I will provide the link in the description. You can watch it from there. Now after that, select OK. And now you can see that our upper face have been removed and our model is completely converted to sheet metal. So we have the corners here. If you want to measure the total length of sheet, select flatten from here. And now you can measure the total length of the sheet. Uncheck this button. So what are the corners? Go to edit feature. So there are 3 types of corners: open butt, overlap and underlap. Let me show you the visual picture of all the joints in the sheet metal. So these are the types of welded joints: butt joint, lap joint. There are other types of joints also, but in SolidWorks we have these joints, butt joint and lap joint. So now you can see that it is open butt joint. We can decrease the gap between these two corners and also the relief. So what is the gap? Like it is 0.2 centimeter. If we want to decrease it to 0.05, select OK, and now you can see that gap has been closed. The relief means that what is the length of the one side of the edge. Like if I will select overlap joint, so this edge is with the greater length and this edge with the shorter length. So if we want to decrease the length of the greater one edge, we can decrease it from here like this. You can see that our length have been decreased. So you can easily make your corner treatment using these different types of joints you want, and after that we will see how we can use the welded joint feature. Select OK from here. So now in the corners treatment we have the welded corner. We will study all these corners in detail in the upcoming tutorials. So we are going to discuss welded corner in this tutorial. So after selecting welded corner, we will select the two faces, or if you will select the one face, it will automatically generate the welded profile like this. By checking this option, you can add the weld symbol and texture to showing your welding area. Select OK. Now we can do this weld to all other three edges. So now you can see that our sheet metal is ready for manufacturing. We have added the weld. You can see the welded symbol from here. This is showing the weld measurement you want in your sheet metal. So again, if you want to flatten it, select this option and you can make your sheet flatten. So this was a simple tutorial on how to convert your solid body to sheet metal and make the welded corners. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and keep sharing our channel.